video we will go through a step-by-step tutorial on WhatsApp integration with Vtiger CRM by VTDEV. To access the WhatsApp module, click on the main menu. From Sales select WhatsApp. This will bring you to the List view of WhatsApp. Here you can view all the details regarding your WhatsApp messages. Under Send and Retrieve statistics, the data of the messages you sent will be displayed. Under Broadcast tab, all the messages you sent in bulk are mentioned. You can also view the chatbot statistics here. Click on the WhatsApp icon on top right corner of your screen to display the notification bar for WhatsApp. This is where you can perform multiple actions such as turning the notification on or off, removing chatbot, send a WhatsApp message directly from the CRM, and much more. To send a message, click on Send Message button from notification bar. A pop-up form will be displayed. Fill in the form with necessary details. After entering the information, press the Save button. To configure WhatsApp settings, click on the Settings icon from notification bar. This will bring you to the Settings area of WhatsApp. From here you can add a new WhatsApp user, connect your WhatsApp, and much more. To add a new user, press Add More User button. Now click Required Information. Once done, press the Save button. To connect your WhatsApp, press the QR icon from Actions tab. Now, click on Connect WhatsApp button and scan the QR. You can also log out your WhatsApp from here. To delete a user's WhatsApp, press the Delete button under Actions tab. That's it for the WhatsApp integration for Vtiger CRM. Thank you for watching.